Maya and her robot friend Momo eagerly anticipated the field trip, excited to see robotics in action. They looked forward to understanding how these machines think, make decisions, and collaborate with lifelike intelligence, uncovering the cutting-edge technology behind them. Welcome to the Robotics Research Facility. Today, you'll see how robots work autonomously, communicate with each other, and make decisions that transform how we live and work. This is where robots learn to make decisions independently, navigating complex environments using algorithms like A*, which finds the shortest path by evaluating distance, obstacles, and time. The guide robot explains, robots also use simultaneous localization and mapping, or SLAM, to map unknown areas relative to their own position within the space. This is similar to drawing and updating a map based on your current location. Momo adds, these technologies are crucial for robots operating in places where humans can't guide them, like space or disaster zones. The guide robot explains, here, robots don't just think for themselves, they communicate and collaborate using the Robot Operating System, ROS. ROS allows robots to share data and coordinate their actions in real time, making teamwork possible. Momo points out, this is how swarm robotics works, many robots sharing information to work as a team, making tasks like deliveries faster and more efficient. The guide robot adds, this technology is crucial in real-world applications, like delivery robots that navigate cities or robots that coordinate in hazardous environments. The guide robot introduces, meet the ocean cleanup robot, a true hero of the sea. It uses LiDAR, a technology that sends out laser pulses and measures the time it takes for them to return. It uses this time to understand how deep that part of the ocean is, helping the robot to map its surroundings and detect floating debris, even in the challenging conditions that it might encounter in the ocean. Momo explains, LiDAR creates a precise 3D map, helping the robot identify and collect trash effectively, like a giant underwater vacuum cleaner. These are search and rescue drones. In emergencies, they use thermal cameras to detect body heat, even in darkness or through thick smoke, helping find people in need. The drones can also use LiDAR to navigate through complex environments, ensuring they avoid obstacles during rescue missions. The guide robot says, welcome to the Advanced Robotics Lab, where the most cutting-edge innovations are developed. Here, you'll see robots that use AI and vision systems to understand and interact with their environment, making complex decisions on the fly. Momo explains, this arm uses cameras to see and AI to adjust its movements based on real-time data. It can even recognize when a part is slightly off and correct itself to ensure perfect assembly. The guide robot adds, these advanced technologies are what make robotic arms so valuable in industries like manufacturing and medicine, where precision is crucial. The guide robot concludes, the future of robotics is bright. From robots that mimic animal movements to those made from flexible materials, the next generation will be even more versatile. But as we advance, it's important to think about how we'll use these robots in our daily lives. The guide robot adds, with ongoing innovation, there's no limit to what robots can achieve. Today's field trip is just a glimpse of the incredible possibilities that lie ahead.